everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new window tray bird feeder.
Built with durability in mind, this white wooden bird feeder is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. It has an easy refill top that will allow for effortless filling. It'll make it perfect for both home and office use. It's compatible with single and double hung windows, and it suits window widths from 27 inches to 36 inches, with a required Trax inner size of at least 0.79 inches. With the clear window bird feeder, you can witness the beauty of nature from your own space. This feeder offers a spacious 180-degree view. This will allow for natural observation of birds in action. It's a great way to bring the outside world indoors while enjoying the comforts of your own home. As you can see, the installation process is extremely simple, and it comes with all the necessary pieces and accessories to go ahead and put this together flawlessly. You can invite beautiful birds right to your window with this window bird feeder. Enjoy a close-up view of vibrant plumage and captivating bird interactions, providing educational entertainment for bird enthusiasts as well as backyard explorers alike. This will also make a great gift for anyone in your family.